President of Gano Excel Headquarter International, Mr. Liao Sun Seng.
Good days, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Gano Excel 25th Anniversary Celebration. This is a very special occasion, and I would like to thank to all of you for being with me from the different parts of the world to celebrate our journey of excellence. The year 2020 has marked Gano Excel 25 years in business. With 25 years business presence, Gano Excel has been recognized globally as an established and reputable network marketing company. Since founded, we never stop envisioning and continuous strive to be the industrial leader in production, innovation, distributions of Ganoderma Lucilium product. Ladies and gentlemen, the year 2020 is an unprecedented for everyone. I would like to take this opportunity to express my deepest sympathies to those who have been affected by this COVID-19 pandemic. We have to ready to adopt a new realistic and new norm from now on. And because of this pandemic too, we have been suspended all in-person activity, physical meeting due to the safety of our member. Since strict physical distances in place, our celebrations of anniversary were drastically different, and as such, we have to adopt a new norm of lifestyle, whereby all the interaction in the celebration will be in virtually from offline to online. Ladies and gentlemen, technology innovation is so exciting and interesting. It helps to bring all our members by this new way to deliver an unforgettable virtual anniversary celebration.
Hi, Mr. Liao.
Hi, Mr. Hugo Lia.
Hi, everyone.
This is a fantastic technology. How about the next?
สวัสดีค่ะ Mr. Liao. Hi everyone.
This is a leader from Thailand.
Hi, Mr. Liao. Hi, everyone.
Hi, Mr. Gajafar. You are awesome. Thank you. This is my distinct honor and privilege to have you with us in this event. Technology shows unlimited possibility. Look at my hand. This is a Rishigo. Can enhance our immune system. This is Coligo. It's good for everyone. And this is the most valuable product, our Gano Cafe 3-in-1. It's so fantastic. Now, let me bring you to see the Ganoderma growing in the forest. Do you see the mushroom? Thanks for the technology to bring all of us here to attend another importance of milestone of Gano Excel history. No matter where you are, I sincerely thanks to all of you for being here with us to attend our anniversary celebration today. Gano Excel is always in the forefront in adapting to the new technology. But this is not all about technology. It is a value that we believe to hold us together as one, to achieve many successes together. Ladies and gentlemen, 25 years, a quarter of century, there is a long period of testing time for an organization to survive. There is only handful of the business is still in the market. There are only a handful of companies who are still in the business today, and many of the companies founded that year are no longer in the business. We have weathered many storms for the past 25 years together. It's not easy, but we sustain and even excel. Today, Gano XL has made its name to the world as a leader in galvanized silicium production and distribution. In our effort to deliver our mission, we are guided by meaningful values, including our commitment to the business integrity and serving the community. This is our strength that makes Gano XL so special than others. We are proud to have a high quality of product, but I am even more proud, especially that we have so many good people in the company to act as a big family. I'm grateful we have such a good leader. You have demonstrated your leadership by engaging to the global community and ensure the goodness of galvanized silicium, as well as create business opportunity to others. It is our blessing that we are in the business of network marketing that make us enable to help others, especially during the times of adversity. Ladies and gentlemen, a lot has changed over years. Now we are bigger, even stronger in so many ways. All is done through periodic transformation, complemented by continuous innovation. Throughout our history, a successful innovation has come in the form of new products to generate growth. In order to significantly contribute to the wellness industry and shape a better world through product innovation, we are going to continue to innovate for technology breakthrough. We can expect more quality products to be launched to the market soon. Innovation is not only about growth, it also drives our operational efficiency. With a proven record of successful transformation between Gano XL for the past 25 years, this too is part of our legacy. Our emerging markets show a continuous strength, and with the operations of more than 100 countries around the world, we have a strong footprint as such that we have a significant competition advantage in the network marketing industry. Looking forward, we will build on our 25 years accolade to create value for our members. Our confidence and strategy is underpinned, fundamented by our product strengths, global presence, innovation, and dedicated employee and members. When we look beyond, we see there is a gold mine of opportunity, especially in the wellness industry, so grow so rapidly. And I am fully committed that we can deliver our goals. And I am confident that we all can. By doing that, we can drive a sustainable long-term success to the company and to the member. Remember, our mission is to bring health and wealth to all mankind globally. Ladies and gentlemen, I am eternally grateful for what you have been done to Gano XL. Your hard work and dedication has made Gano XL who we are today. Making the world healthy is not just something we inspire to do, it is something we are doing now. And this has been our passion for the past 25 years. Before I end my speech, I would like to extend my invitation to all of you. Please join our physical global convention, which has been rescheduled to the next year due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Looking forward to see you in person. See you in Malaysia. Thank you.